Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and I provide sessions related to IELTS regularly on my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss listening maps. There are times when we are unable to figure out what exactly the answer is. What all do we need to figure out whenever we are doing a listening map? So I'm going to clear your doubts in today's session today. Let's get started. So guys, here we have the listening. Okay, so basically you can see a map here. So first thing that we need to do is pointing the direction. So we'll be marking the directions first. North, south, east and west. We'll also be marking northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. After this, we just need to see where exactly all the points are. So we have picnic area here in southeast. We have car park here. Then we have a shop here. So shop, picnic area, car park. Okay. And reception is here. So they have already mentioned you are here. Most probably they are going to start from this point only. You are here. I'll recommend one thing. You can actually start marking on the map directly. What is A, B, whatever they are saying, just write it here. And later on, when they give you time to match your answers or to check your answers, that particular time you should write the answer. Sorry. So that particular time you should write the answers here. Mill. So first, now we'll go through this as well. Okay. So we have mill, museum, laboratory, cafe and toilet. So we need to listen for these keywords mainly. Where is mill, where is museum, where is laboratory, where is cafe and where is toilet. So if we'll be listening for this, we'll actually figure out what exactly they are talking about and will not lag. Okay, so that's what we need to do. Now we are here again at the map. So we have seen that adjacent to shop or besides shop, adjacent to shop there is G. So just next to the shop. We know they might say next to the shop, adjacent to shop. Okay. They can also say opposite. Okay? They can say opposite to the shop, on the other side of the road. Other side or opposite. So we'll know that they are talking about H. So if they say along the path, so this is along the path. Okay, we are going on the path, along the path. We need to take care of this as well. They'll say car park next to this. So we have to listen for prepositions. Okay, we'll actually take care of prepositions as well here in the maps question. So just listen for the exact keywords. Now you are going to listen to the audio, and while the listening audio is being played, I'm going to write the answers and then I'll explain those to you. So I'll recommend you also to do it with me. So let's get started. So now listen carefully.
Listen and answer questions 16 to 20.
Now, let's start by seeing where you can go. As you can see on our map in the brochure I've given you, we are here at the reception block. We have a famous mill which is used for making and processing materials such as steel and coal. To visit it, just go straight ahead, north along the path in front of you, and you'll find it at the end of the path. Now, towards the east, go along the path from our starting point. Turn left to the corner and then turn right. There is a car park at the east end of the lane. To the west, there is a museum. Past the shop, around the crossroads, and it is just located at the west end of the road. And by the way, the shop is specialized in selling a variety of ore-related souvenirs, including key rings, postcards, tin-made Lewis chessmen, and even Roman soldiers, which are made from beautiful pyrite. If you are interested in the laboratory where scientific experiments, analyses, and research are carried out, it is situated at the southern part of the park, opposite the shop. I bet you'll be happy to hear that this laboratory is also used for gold and crystal refinement. So don't miss this one for the sake of it. I assume by this time you'll all need some rest and refreshment. So we have an excellent cafe which caters for delicious food and beverages at the other side of the road next to the shop. Of course, if you want to spend some time in the fresh air, we have a perfect picnic area which is just right and northeast of the reception block. Further east, there is a path leading to the northern part of the park, and at the end of it is the toilet. Now, most of the visitors would choose to use the mailbox and send the beautiful postcards to their friends. To reach it, just...
So guys, I believe आपको समझ आ गया होगा उन्होंने क्या कैसे बोला था. So firstly they said you are here at the reception area, okay? They did not mention the diagonal road or the sweeping road. So they just said कि you need to go straight towards the north. Reception, you are at the reception area, you need to go straight towards the north and you will see mill. So just at the end of the road. So end of the road D, we saw mill. After that they explained you need to go, just come to the starting point and you'll go straight. So you'll go straight right and then you'll take the first exit on the left and then again. Then they said starting point, go towards the eastern side, take the first exit on the left and then on the right you'll see a car park. Then they just stopped here. This was a distractor. So this car park was a distractor. They did not mention anything here. Later on they said, now moving to the west side of the you'll see a museum after the shop, just after the crossroad. So this is the crossroad which is crossroad intersection as well. So you'll see this and there is a museum at the end. So here's the museum. Then they discussed, now you can see a shop. They started discussing one thing or the other about the shop. So they told gems are available in the shop and all this. Then they said opposite to the shop, on the other side, on the southern side, opposite to the shop, you'll see a laboratory. You must not miss it. That's what they said. So laboratory is H here. Followed by this, we are at laboratory only. Whatever they mentioned will be there only. Okay, so we are here and then they said just opposite to the laboratory you'll find cafe and that is next to the shop. You must be all tired now, you must be hungry now, so you need some place to rest. For that they mentioned cafe, so that was next to the shop. So cafe is G. And last and the final answer, what did they say? Toilet. So come to the starting point. Now they did not say come to the starting point, they were talking about picnic area. You will see picnic area on the northeastern side of the reception. You need to go past it towards the north side. So north side is this only. Then you will see toilets at the end of it. So end of it, toilets. So this is the way they answered. Okay, so now let us start marking. So we found mill. Mill was D. Then it was museum. Museum was I. Then it was laboratory. Sorry. Laboratory was H. Then cafe. Cafe was next to the shop. It was G. And last was toilets. E. So G and E. So these are the answers. I believe this is the method, guys. Whenever you have to do maps, just use this method. You'll never go wrong. For sure, you'll never go wrong. Just try to do it like this and practice maps often. Whatever your weak point is, you need to practice those questions more. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching the session. If you really liked it or if it benefited you, then definitely subscribe to my channel and share it with the friends. It might help them. Thank you.